Welcome back, everyone. Crowon here again, and we're going to go ahead and get UCE Networked Switch imported. So let's get that set up. Let's import our networked switch. There it is. Import that in. This is going to give you the ability to have a toggleable switch in your game that you can have like a lever or a push button, whichever. And it will show and hide an object. With some modifications to the code, you could easily make it do more. Maybe in the future we'll add more functionality to it, but right now this is its base level. So let's get that README open. So I got that. Fantastic. All right, so we don't have any core changes, so that's even better. It's a pretty simple amount of stuff here. So we're just going to go into the prefabs, and let's drag on our network switch. So this is going to be what the player would click on, your lever, your button, push plates, whichever, to activate this. And then we need some objects that are going to be done with, so we're going to put one of those over here. And in here, you can see we have a sphere, which is just what's being turned on and off, and this is the top parent that controls it. And you can see the sphere is added. I have it by default set to not visible, so in this case, if I wanted it to be a trap, for example, the trap may not be there until they walk on the pressure plate or click on a lever, and then the trap shows up, or maybe it's a chest, whichever. So that tells you the starting state. And then visibility reset here is if it's 0, it doesn't do anything. It's just going to make this toggleable. Now, if you have this set to a timer, so like 3 seconds, it will disappear after 3 seconds. So we'll do both. And then our network switch here, you'll see that we have this activated objects. So we're just going to drag this activatable object onto there, so it's controlled by this switch. So you can have as many as you want in here, controlled by one switch, if you so choose. And then here we have a switched boolean, which just tells you if the switch is on or off. Right now it's going to start in the off state. You could have it start in the on if you wish. So you could have things pre-shown, and then when you switch it, they disappear. You can also use this for a nice puzzle game, stuff like that. So this also has a reset time, so if you leave it this without reset and it's at 0, then the switch can be toggled. So you could double click it, it'll be on, double click, it'll be off, so on and so forth, and keep going at it. If you have a timer, the switch will get switched up, and then after the timer's hit, it will then switch it back down. Otherwise, it does nothing. You can't mess with it beyond that point. So we're going to start without the timer and have it completely toggleable, so the item will start hidden, and then we'll go from there. So we saved our scene. We can collapse this. We're good there. Let's hit play. All right, get in here with our test player, and we see our switch. We're gonna click on it, and we have interactions requirements in, so this will pop up. You can remember to hide this by going to your network switch and just saying automatic activation. And now the sphere is shown. I hit again, and it's gone. So now let's put that timer in quick. So on our network switch here, we're going to turn to automatic activation quick. And then we're going to go ahead and put 3 seconds for a reset. And then on the object, we're going to have to do 3 seconds as well for a reset. So we'll click the switch, and now this time it just happened. Wait for the 3 seconds. Boom, it's gone. Click it again. There it is. So our switch works. Fantastic. Now we just wait, and it goes away. So that's all for network switch. And I'll catch you in the next one.